So do you have any like tips for people who, maybe they want to save a significant portion of their income and they want to do house hacking? Do you have any
Mhm.
tips for them?
Start saving that down payment. That's going to be important. And then just start looking because I have a couple friends that want to buy right now. And it's like you might not find the house tomorrow, but get your pre-qualification, have your down payment, save more. If you could put 20% down, you're in an even better position than someone that would put 5% down because you avoid private mortgage insurance. So I'd say just keep saving and keep your eyes out. Find specifically where you want to be and just watch the market, watch things as they pop up, or find a realtor and have them watch it for you. That's their job. That's how they get paid. So they'll send you listings. Um,
Right.
yeah, I mean, as far as house hacking, you can look around, look at comps in the area, see what other houses are renting out for, and make sure your mortgage expenses will be less than uh, what a house in the neighborhood rents for. Um, you want to shoot for a couple $100 profit per month between your mortgage and what you're renting out for would be ideal. Um,
So like I know you're paying a share, but let's say you weren't and there were a family or three different people living there.
yeah, so we've had this conversation too. Do we take each room and individually lease it out to college students, or do we just rent it out as one house to a family? I think it'd be more profitable to take each room and individually rent them out if we could. Um, but another house in the neighborhood went for like is renting for $1,900. We pay, I think, with taxes and insurance, property insurance, all in before utilities, we're at like 1750.
Okay.
So we probably would be profitable if we decide
Yeah.
to rent out.
So it sounds like the cash flow is close to break even, right? But
Right.
really the benefit is the mortgage pay down and equity accrual, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then also the appreciation.
Appreciation and the tax benefits. You get to write off mortgage interest on your taxes.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Yeah. So do you, in your opinion, do you think paying 20% is better? Okay. Can you write off private mortgage insurance
I don't
or
know.
no?
That's a good question.
And if you can, do you
But
think it's
I
worth
think you
it?
might be able to put 20% down.
Yeah, I guess my question is like, if you can write off the interest, you might as well put as little down as possible, right? Or is there a trade off there?
I mean, the trade off is the bank. If you don't put 20% down, the bank is going to make you insure the loan for their interest, um, that they don't lose money. So you have to pay $150 a month to the bank just for not having um, 20% down, which,
Okay.
you know, there's different strategies there. You could get an FHA loan, go 3.5% down, just get in a property for no money, and it might make sense. But I think if you can, it'd be wise to put the 20% down, and then if you're doing commercial real estate or it's a rental, the numbers work out a lot better. You If you're doing a commercial loan, you almost need to put 20-30% down on the property anyways. You can only put less than 5% down if you're getting residential.
Right.
Um, so, I mean, that's the only way I got away. You could get away with that. As a rental, if you're not living there, you probably do have to put 20% down anyways.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think if it's an investment property, you have to put down 20% unless you live in it for a year or something.
Mhm.
There are tax loopholes. It gets crazy.
Just build out a spreadsheet, know your numbers, meet with a mortgage broker, know what your costs are going to be, and
Yeah.
then know what your income would potentially be, and just have your numbers right.
Well, thanks for sharing some of the details. I know it's like the four things you don't talk about in a bar. Religion, money.
Religion, which is public data. If you really wanted to find out the purchase price of
Yeah.
my home, I guess you would need the address. So maybe it's not too public, but